In this tutorial, I am going to teach you how to edit an invoice in Xero. This is useful when you need to correct or update information on an existing invoice before sending it to your customer. First, open your web browser and navigate to xero.com. Once you're there, log in to your Xero account. After logging in, look at the top navigation menu and click on Sales. From the drop-down menu, select Invoices. You'll now see a list of your invoices, including drafts, sent, and paid invoices. Find the invoice you want to edit and click on it to open the invoice overview. Review the invoice and identify the information you want to change, such as the customer details, invoice date, line items, pricing, or tax rate. Next, look at the top right corner and click on the three-dot options menu. From the menu that appears, select Edit. You'll now be taken to the invoice editing screen. Make the necessary changes and review all the details to make sure everything is correct. Once you've finished making your edits, click Update to save the changes. The invoice will now be updated and ready for review or sending to your customer. And that's it. You've successfully edited an invoice in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.